Good afternoon, student. I am Dr. Mahendra Ingole, Assistant Professor at Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, ACS Batan, Pune. Today's lecture, Chapter 1, we are going to learn about marketing concept. One traditional and second one is the modern. Meaning and definition of a marketing. The definition of marketing emphasizes the flow of goods from the seller to the buyer. Marketing is the performance of a business activity that directs the flow of goods and services from the producer to the consumer. Evolution of marketing. Marketing took a birth on the same day as mankind. We can divide the study of this evolution of marketing in four stages. One, the stage of barter. In the ancient times, marketing was synonymous with the term of selling. At this point of the time, all exchange of goods for goods. The main drawback of the barter system was the requirement of double coincidence of wants. That is, if the seller has an excess of rice and wants to get some butter and exchange, he had to find someone who had an exchange of a butter and wants rights in an exchange. Second, the stage of industrial revolution. The industrial revolution gave birth to a technology advancement, new system of manufacture and new products were introduced, transportation and communication system developed, and the manufacturer and seller suddenly found the area and scope of marketing to have widely increased. The industrial revolution also gave rise to the income revolution that sustained mass production and mass distribution. Third, the stage of communication. Mass production and mass distribution brought in by industrial revolution were mainly responsible for the stage of competition. They had to face the competition not only from the others local manufacturer but also from the overseas as well. Fourth, the emergence of marketing. After the Second World War, the size of a characteristic of market in many countries changed. There was an increase in a population as well as the disposable income of the average family. New industrial unit, process, products and services were introduced. Competition increases result in the function of marketing taking on a new facts of professionalism. The traditional and modern concept of marketing. The marketing philosophy has undergone gradual but systematic change since the Industrial Revolution. Four different concepts of marketing. One, product oriented marketing. Second, sales oriented marketing. Within it, consider in the traditional marketing. Third, consumer oriented marketing. Fourth, social oriented marketing. It's come under modern marketing. Production oriented marketing. A firm should manufacture only a certain basic products. To keep the cost of the production low is the most important task of management. Anything can be produced to sell. Sales oriented marketing. Transport and communication system develop. Mass production become the order of the day. Concentrate on the advertising, sales promotion and other demand increasing activities. Consumer oriented marketing. The firm should produce only that product which is desired by the customers. Management should integrate all its activity in order to develop program to satisfy consumer wants. Management should be guided to by a long-term profit rather than quick sale. Social oriented marketing. Focus not only on a customer satisfaction but on customer and social welfare also. Social marketing is often concerned with a major changes in attribute. Objective of marketing: customer satisfaction, reasonable profit to the company, social goods, elements of the marketing, the good offers, the good market, the better system, the good forces. Traditional marketing is a broad category that incorporate many forms of advertising and marketing. For example, advertisement that we can see and hear every day. The major four categories are through print, broadcast, direct mail, and telephone. Traditional marketing, in that networking, fax, exhibition, TV, face to face meeting, cold calling, product samples, direct mail are included. Modern marketing nowadays is called as a digital marketing. Is it hold that the key to achieve the organizational goal consists of the company being more effective than competitors in creating, delivering, and communicating superior customers' value to its target market. Factory, product, selling and promotion, profit through customer satisfaction. Benefits of modern marketing connects you with the consumer on the internet, save your money and time, enables real-time customer services, helps generate higher revenue, can help you compete with large competitor, prepare you for the internet of things, generate high conversion of rate. Two ways in modern marketing: interact, interrupt. In interact, inbound marketing, blogs, ebooks, white paper, YouTube video, how to video, newsletters, subscription, RSS webinars, search engine optimization are included. In interrupt, outbound marketing, print ad magazine, newspapers, TV ads, cold calling, trade show, email blast. These are included in interrupt outbound marketing. Thank you, student, for watching my lecture.